I am doing like 1,000 things right now. Of course, that's an exaggeration, but I'm currently learning embedded systems engineering. I am learning French. Yes, I love languages. I am doing martial arts. I go to the gym. I shoot content. I have an agency I am running. And I've gotten questions like, how do you do this? Like, how do you manage to do everything? So today I am here to share with you how I manage my schedule and how I'm able to do all this without burning out. Before going any further, let me give you a brief history. I started learning front-end development in 2022, around January 2022. That time I just got into school, uni, and there was something called a strike. If you don't know what that is, I just look it up. Strike in Nigeria. So we had 8 months to stay at home, and within that 8 months, that was when I took front-end development very serious. I was, oh my god, it was as if I was possessed then. I'm not even exaggerating at this point. I spent like 12 hours on my PC learning HTML, CSS. If I knew AI was going to be here by now, I probably wouldn't stress myself that much. But then, what can we say? I spent a very long time, the entire 8 months, on just front-end development. That was all I was doing. And maybe with learning Spanish. I think I was learning Spanish then too. Don't ask me, I don't know Spanish. I learned on Duolingo, so I just know I hate Apple. Yes, whatever. Okay, so I spent that time on front-end development, and that was when I built my solid background on it. Embedded systems, I started learning embedded systems last year. So I was doing my IT because we have second semester for IT. So I just chose to learn embedded systems. I don't know what gave me sudden passion for it, but I just fell in love with it around first semester, early last year, and I just had to learn it for my IT. This is called a diode. And that was when I built my current skills in embedded systems and also my curiosity for it. I still have a lot to learn in the field, but I really love embedded systems. That was when I learned embedded systems, and during that time I was able to implement my front-end skills as well, where I was able to use the front end for IoT dashboards and stuff like that. Now that was 2 skills that I've gotten, which is embedded systems and front-end development, and that was within 2022 to 2025. That's 3 years. Yes, that was in 3 years, not 24 hours. And about martial arts, I started martial arts when I was in 200 level. That was around 2023. So it's just something, it's in school, so it's just something I could just go after classes. I go for training after classes on Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. That was how I got into martial arts. So it was like somewhere I could just relax or or release the tension and everything like that. After classes, I just go there to kick some parts and stuff like that. That was how I got martial arts, and that was how I incorporated it in my daily routine. And then for shooting content is just something I love. It's just something I love to do. It doesn't take that much time. You just have to pick the right days. Now, how do I manage to schedule everything? Because at the moment I'm trying to get more knowledge on embedded systems and also get more knowledge on front-end development, because we know the world has evolved. There's more to front-end development than it is. And also to learn French, because I really want to know French for some reason. I just want to know. I gave up on Spanish. I didn't give up completely. Maybe in the future I would continue, but French I don't want to give up. So I want to stay consistent. I want to have discipline, which is what I've been trying to learn. That brings me to discipline. That is what has gotten me. That's what I have now that I didn't have before. Before I just did things when I was motivated, which is why I just had a bunch of skills. When I'm motivated, I do it, try to know it all, and then just later give up. But now I'm trying to learn how to be disciplined and how to stay focused. I do something where I write my schedule, the things I would like to learn for a week, which is what I've been doing recently. Is things I would like to learn for a week. I write them in my journal, so I just list it all out. Everything I have to do, learn French for 30 minutes or learn blah blah. I write it all out, and then after that, every single day I try to pick a few, even if it's just 30 minutes, if it's just 1 hour of everything to like at least touch it. I currently, before I wake up by 5 and sleep by 10, like all my friends know I go to sleep by 10, max 11 p.m. So, and I wake up 5 a.m. every day. But then it has not been working well this year. I don't know. My body just doesn't want to wake up by 5. So I wake up 6 a.m. now. I just have to listen to my body. I wake up by 6 a.m. every day. That's been consistent. Even during on weekends, I always wake up 6 a.m. And from 6 a.m. I pray. At 6 a.m. of course I pray, and then after that I study embedded systems, or from like the concepts, theoretical concepts, from 6 to like 7 or sometimes to 8. And then I go to the gym from 8 to around 10 or 11. When I get back, of course, make breakfast, eat. And during the day, I learn French. I use sometimes podcasts. So I listen to Spotify. If I'm going to buy something, or I'm trekking or going to a friend's house, I'm with my earpiece, listening to podcast, I'm following it. So that was how I do French. And then in the evening, when I get home by 7 or 8, I listen to the podcast, do 1 or 2 exercises on Busu, because I use Busu for learning. And then in the evening by 4:30 on Monday, Wednesdays, Fridays, I go for martial arts. But I haven't been very consistent nowadays. I've just been going on randomly, maybe Monday or sometimes Friday. And sometimes I didn't go for a very long time, but I'm trying to be better now. I'm trying to be more consistent now. And that's what I do. Shooting content. I shoot content anytime there's inspiration, or anytime I just have something else to talk about. And the major thing is I don't have too much of a social life. I have very few friends that I go to visit, and I don't visit them often. I just go once in a while when I feel like I need people around and go to them. I don't really go out. I don't do much. That's just my life, very boring. So that's why I just have a lot of time. So if you also want to like plan your life, you also want to have a fixed schedule, you can just get a book or get an app or a to-do list out the things you'd like to learn. But the major thing you need is discipline. How to wake up at a particular time and fix. You don't have to wake up 6 a.m. You could wake up 7 a.m. anytime you want. But you know, by this time you wake up, you are doing these things for like an hour, doing this for like 30 minutes. If you do 30 minutes every day, that's like 30 times 7. That's like, I can't do quick maths. I'm an engineering student. That's 30 times 7. That's 210 minutes. That's like how many hours? But like, imagine that over a year, and then you have had solid time for it. So yes, if you just do a little time for every single thing. You don't have to do it all and perfect it within a month. You can go for 2 months, go for 3 months. Just take your time and make sure you do just a little every day. At least touch it. Even if it's for 10 minutes, even for 20 minutes, just make sure you touch it, what you want to do. That's just it. Oh yeah, and before you start your day, you can just like jot out the things you like to do that day. Once you jot it out, you have a clear image of the things you have to do, the things you've not done, and things you have to do. So you know exactly what you're missing. That's all I have to share. Yep. Say hello to the camera.